All right, so this is just a quick lesson on combining like terms. So all I'm going to do is just do two examples here. Um, I'll put a link up here to another lesson I have on combining like terms. This is kind of just a quick review for my students. So when you're combining like terms, you want to combine the variables first, and you want to combine whichever variable comes in the alphabet first. So in this case, in example one, I have A and I have C. So I'm going to combine the A's first, then I'm going to combine the C's, and then I'm going to combine the numbers. So variables first in alphabetical order, then numbers last. All right. Now, one of the most important things when you're combining like terms is to recognize that the symbol in front of a term goes with it. So this plus sign belongs to this 2a. Likewise, this minus sign belongs to this 4a. So if I was to pull these two pieces out and put them next to each other, I would have this. Okay? So now let's do the C's. Take the C's, and again, that minus sign belongs with the 3C, and that plus sign belongs with the 5C. So I'm going to pull those out and put them next to each other. So I'm just rewriting this expression with the like terms next to each other. And then last, I'm going to combine the numbers. So I'm going to pull these out. Again, one of the most important things is that the symbol in front goes with it. So I pull that out, pull the 7 out, and pull the 2 out. All right, so now when I look at this was a plus sign, right? Now this is just telling me that this is a positive 2a. So 2a minus 4a is negative 2a. Minus 3c plus 5c. So I'm going to treat this like a negative 3 plus 5. So negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2c. And then lastly here I have negative 3 minus 7 plus 2. So negative 3 minus 7 plus 2 comes out to, let's see, that's negative 10 plus 2 would be negative 8. And so that's the simplified expression after combining like terms. All right, so let's look at this one. This one's got an X and a Y. So I'm going to combine the X's first because X's come first in the alphabet. Here I have a positive X. I have a minus 2X. I'm going to pull those out. And I'm going to pull out the Y's. I have a plus or a positive 4Y minus 7Y. And then last, numbers. So that's a negative 5. Yes, it's minus 5, negative 5, same thing. And a plus 9. All right, combine these like terms together and then put it together. So don't forget, in front of this X is a 1 that's not written. There's always a 1 there, but we don't write it because it's not necessary. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So negative 1x, again, I don't need to write the 1. So what I can do instead is just write this as negative x. And then 4y, that's a positive 4y, minus 7y is negative 3y. And then negative 5 plus 9 is positive 4. And so now I'm just going to put these pieces together. So negative x minus 3y. And I need a symbol here between the 3y and the 4. This is a positive 4, so I put a plus sign. If this was a negative 4, I would have a symbol there. So that's the simplified expression. All right, so I hope that helps. If so, give it a like and a subscribe. And until next time.